Hi guys, so today we are going to be reviewing these things that we got from BreadTalk. So first of all, we got this viral Japanese light cheesecake. So the price of this was 2,350 rupees. Next we got this blueberry cheesecake. Then we got this golden chicken thingy. It's 330 rupees. Next we got this thing is called Brothers. Next we got this raisin cream cheese bun. Price of the raisin cream cheese bun is 390 rupees. And the Brothers thing is 360 rupees. Total for this was 4,000 rupees.